In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom hatch design in AutoCAD. Whether you want to add a unique creative touch to your drawings or simply personalize your projects with a pattern that stands out, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure you already have your pattern or design ready in AutoCAD. It can be anything: lines, shapes, or even a small symbol you've drawn yourself. Once that's set, we'll start by converting your design into a block. To do this, select the entire pattern, type block in the command line, press enter, give it a name, and click OK. This step is super important and allows AutoCAD to treat your entire design as a single object, making it much easier to use as a hatch later on. Next, we're going to use the superhatch command. Go ahead and type superhatch in the command line, then hit enter. You'll see a few options appear. Choose block from the list. Now select the block you just created. This will be the main element that AutoCAD repeats to form your custom hatch pattern. After that, you'll need to define the boundary area where your hatch should appear. Let's say you draw a rectangle or any shape where you want your custom hatch to go. Click inside it to apply the hatch. Make sure the block is properly aligned so your pattern fits neatly inside the area. Now, AutoCAD will ask if you want to adjust the scale, rotation, or other settings. You can experiment if you'd like, but for most cases, leaving the default values works perfectly fine. Press enter to continue, and AutoCAD will do the rest. Within seconds, you'll see your custom hatch pattern appear. How cool is that? To make the process even smoother, here's a quick tip. Keep your design simple and consistent before turning it into a block. Complex patterns with too many small details can sometimes cause issues when repeating, so start with clean shapes and refine from there. Once you've created your hatch, you can save and reuse it anytime in your future projects. It's a great way to keep your designs consistent, add branding elements, or even create textures that match your project's theme. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to make your own custom hatch design in AutoCAD easily and efficiently. Pretty neat, right? Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Why not help someone else make their designs pop too?